This is Dot and Key Skincare, dermatologically tested skincare, strawberry dew tinted sunscreen, daily wear, SPF 50 plus, PA plus, porcelain, natural finish with niacinamide, ultra lightweight. You can go through all the details. These are all the details. Here also you can go through all the details. It is the fantastic one and easy to carry, small pack with 50 ml. It's a very nice one and shake well before use. It's a very nice one, very nice, very good. Now we will have a look of this. Such a small one. See, this much. Very small, but 50 ml. This is awesome. See, if you check the thickness, for example, I am showing. If you check this, see, so small. Near about 23 mm. The height is near about 100.4. Approximately, I am saying. So this is very nice. So wherever you go, this is the shirt pocket. Wherever you go, simply place it. This is very easy. This is very awesome. You can carry it anywhere. One of the advantages is this, such a nice packing. This is one of the main advantages. Thanks to the manufacturer who got this idea. Now I open this. See how fast it will absorb. See, I placed this here and I ruptured. Yes, fastly absorbing by the skin. So it is very nice. It is a game changer SPF for the glowest skin and the defense against ultraviolet rays. It is good. So you can say goodbye to the oily skin and for covering the melasma also. It's the daily wear. It's a porcelain. Number of versions are there in this. So it is like a game changer. It is a magic for the glowest skin and the defense against ultraviolet rays. Glow and protect your skin by the tinted sunscreen. So this is one of the best I found in the market. If you check on Google and YouTube, this is highly rated. Why? Because it is fastest selling item in the market. So very nice. So you can have a look. This is very nice and fragrance free, everything. You can confidently purchase this product. I used it for 1 month. The results are very good, skin friendly, very nice one. So these are all the details about this. This is such a small pack, as I said, and a small one, easy to transport and easy to carry. It's like a SPF game changer for your skin. I used it. After using this, I am reviewing the product. The product is very nice. After that, I am giving the review. The product is awesome. You can confidently purchase it. I hope this YouTube video is useful, informative and helpful. Let us meet again.